Have you ever found yourself needing an extra hand to find the keys? Install the electronic keypad lock with password protection, and unlocking the door is as easy as moving just one finger. The automatic keypad lock with password protection comes in 3 different styles. You may choose one according to your needs. You can unlock in 3 ways: with the password you set up, with a remote control, and of course, with a traditional key. However, electronic keypad lock with password protection provides you a much more convenient way to unlock your door. Electronic keypad lock with password protection. Like a regular lock, needs a knob, lever, and handle to function. Before the installation, please prepare a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, 4 AA alkaline batteries, and confirm whether the doorknob hole on the door is round or a butterfly style. Please keep the lock unlocked during installation. The package contains 3 portions. One is the outside lock unit, the second is the inside lock unit, and the third is the parts and accessories, including the latch, the key, strike plate, a bag of screws, instruction manual, installation manual, warranty card, This latch is adjustable to fit in the 60 to 70 millimeter doorknob holes. Just turn it clockwise. First, fit the latch into the latch hole. The black cross must be in the lower half position, and then fasten the latch with the screws. Fit the torque bar for the outside lock unit through the latch. The torque bar must be fitted through the black cross on the hatch horizontally. Get the wiring across from beneath the latch. Fit the IC cable through the wiring hole underneath the plate. Fit the torque bar through the round hole on the plate. Fasten the plate with screws. Do not fasten the screws all the way yet. Make sure that the outside lock unit is straight. Fasten with screws. Connect the wiring from the inside and outside lock units. Adjust the direction of the turn knob for the inside lock unit. The direction of the turn knob should be opposite of the latch in order to be installed correctly. Place the inside lock unit and the plate together. Take out 3 screws from the parts and accessories package. Fasten the inside lock unit. Install 4 AA alkaline batteries. Install the battery cover. Press the battery cover straight against the door. Slide down into position and the installation is complete. After entering the master password, press the Confirm button. Enter the function code 0 and the setup is complete. After entering the master password, press the Confirm button. Enter the function code 1. Enter the sub-password that you set up. Press the Confirm button again, and the setup is complete. After entering the master password, press the Confirm button. Enter the function code 2. Press Confirm again. Enter the password to be deleted. Press Confirm again, and the setup is complete. After entering the master password, press the Confirm button. Enter the function code 3. Press Confirm again, and the setup is complete. After entering the master password, press the Confirm button. Enter the function code 4. and the reset master password. Press confirm again, and the setup is complete. After entering the master password, press the confirm button. Enter the function code 5. Press confirm again, and the setup is complete. After entering the new master password, press the confirm button. Enter the function code 6. Press the confirm button again. Enter the time for the automatic lockup timer. Press confirm, and the installation is complete. Enter the new master password. Press the confirm button. Enter the function code 7. Press the confirm button again, and the setup is complete. Enter the new master password. Press the confirm button. Enter the function code 8. Press the confirm button again, and the setup is complete. After entering the new master password, press the confirm button. Enter the function code 9. Press the confirm button again. Enter the password you wish to set up. Press confirm, and the setup is complete. After entering the new master password, press the confirm button. Enter the function code 10. Press the confirm button again. Press any buttons on the remote control, and the remote control is then synchronized. Each lock can be synchronized with up to 5 remotes. Enter the new master password. Press the confirm button. Enter the function code 11. Press the confirm button again, and the setup is complete. If you install the electronic keypad lock in your bedroom, den, and the front gate, all you need is one remote. You can open them all simultaneously. Scenario: after the installation is complete and the batteries are in place, you are unable to lock the door after pressing the confirm button. Cause: the door swing identification is not yet complete. Solution: please remember to set up the door swing identification immediately after completing the installation. Scenario: after the installation is complete and the batteries are in place, none of the keys are responsive. Cause: issues with batteries or the wiring. Solution: 1. Replace the batteries or make sure the batteries are installed correctly. 2. Check whether the wiring from the inside lock unit is connected correctly. Scenario: the initial setup of door swing identification is not successful. Cause: the door swing direction is stored in the memory incorrectly or the direction has changed. Solution: press the R button on the inside lock unit to restore the default settings and set up the door swing identification again. If you mistakenly enter the password for up to 5 times, you have to wait for 45 seconds before further operation.